welcome back to my channel. I'm Julia, if you're new here, and I'm in my final year at the University of Portsmouth studying civil engineering. Going home tomorrow, so we are going to get started packing. And there'll be a room tour video of my room coming after Christmas as well. These are all the Christmas presents I've got for my family. Obviously, you can't tell what this is meant to be. Could be an elephant, but yeah, just get those in now. Before I wrap them up, these were the two toys that I got. So we've got a nice little bat and a nice little bee for our two cats at home. As you can tell, that was my washing being done, so now we're going to put that away. That's basically the state of it now. Yeah, that's basically all my packing done, I think. Like, all my presents are in there, all my clothes are in there, I've thrown in a pair of shoes. I think that's basically it. So thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down below to get notified whenever I post, whenever that may be. I am going to do a room tour video soon because I need to, and yeah, it means I'll make my room look nice because I found mold when I started packing, so this wasn't a great experience. So I had that problem to solve the other day. So I would have done my packing 2 days ago otherwise. But yeah, if you've liked this video, please smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye.